Wow, the lighting is bad. Look who has woken up and decided to vlog. To fix how I look because I look like I had multiple breakdowns, which is true. I did. That's why my eyes look swollen. TMI. But for my today's to-do list, I have to go to my dentist. Oh, I have to go to my dentist today, and I'm very late for my appointment. I'm supposed to be there in the next 15 minutes, but I'm clearly late. Then I have a call. I have to edit a video. Then I have to go to Andheri for another shoot. Then I have to come back, send another concept, send a script. Like basically, I think I'm gonna kill myself today. No, not really. Okay, my dentist is calling me at 10:30. I will have to rush. I will keep you guys posted. Time for a quick shower break. By the way, I do look really gorgeous after crying. Like, no offense. Why would anyone take offense? Sorry, bye. Now that I look decent and I've had my shower, let me give you a little bit of context. Although it doesn't look like I've had a shower. I feel like I'm kind of stuck in a spot where I am extremely exhausted. But I don't want to say that out loud that I'm under a lot of stress or a lot of work pressure, because I'm really glad and I'm genuinely very grateful that I have all that work without sounding like a pick me princess. But yeah, I think I'm genuinely glad that there's work and there is work stress, because it's a good stress to have. But again, life keeps happening. There are so many things to do, there are so many things to manage alone, there is life to figure out alone, there is adulting, there is overthinking, there is the constant fear of missing out, there's this weird anxiousness in my stomach that I have to hustle, have to go all the way out, all of that. There's trauma, there's generational trauma, there are things I have to fix in my interpersonal relationships with people, and I have to fix myself. Like, there's just a lot. So yesterday I kind of had a massive breakdown and I was just crying on the floor, shivering. I didn't know what to do, and I was sending voice notes to my therapist because I forget things very easily. So now I've made it a habit. Like, every time I'm feeling something, I send my therapist a voice note, and then we discuss it in my session. But luckily, I kind of slept like a baby last night, because I get a lot of nightmares and I wake up in the middle of the night when I'm unable to sleep. So I slept a little bit late. I slept around 1 a.m. and I woke up feeling like a baby, because I slept like a baby, and I'm saying baby a lot. But yeah, I slept peacefully. I don't even remember what I dreamt about. I did wake up with puffy and swollen eyes, but I think that's kind of my aesthetic for today. Like, my makeup is also giving like fresh and like I have a cold look. Okay, now that the sad part is over, I feel like I just had to give in that context, because I felt like my face kind of said it all. So I just don't want anyone to, like, I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying, but I kind of want to fill in the gaps. And as you can tell, I've already filled you guys in on everything that I have to do for the day. So right now, I'm going to pretend like nothing happened in my life last night. Like, I didn't have massive breakdowns. And now I'm going to go and carry on with my day like a delusional person. So I did a little... Did I run out of storage? No. So I just put on a little bit of blush, and I did my eyebrows, and I put on some lip gloss, and that's really it. I feel like crying has kind of covered up my dark circles, so no concealer for the day, which is so, like, I just feel like crying makes you look really cute, and I'm not going to make it my entire personality, but now that I'm putting it out on the internet, yeah, whatever. Wow, I kind of feel like, never mind, I'll have to edit all of this out. I don't know how to style my hair properly. I feel like I have good hair and there is a lot of potential in this, but it doesn't happen. Also, I'm feeling very guilty about not hitting the gym. I feel like this has become my personal grind session now, and my editor will have to edit a lot of this junk out. But yeah, I'm kind of feeling guilty about not hitting the gym. Like, it's been a lot, guys. So that's why the whole episode is going to be about how I'm trying to get a hold of my life and how I'm trying to restart my life. Oh my god, that should be the caption. Restarting my life. People did ask me about my watch, and It's from Fossil. It's a classic Fossil design. I'm obsessed with wearing stuff that makes me look like I'm going to a cafe, and I'm going to read a cool literature book, and I'm going to drink black coffee. Like, I just love pretending that I'm a brand new Tame Impala reference. Is this a Tame Impala song? Today I am going to be forgiven for every little mistake I make. Okay, I'm going through something. Okay, this is my skirt option. It's a really long white pleated skirt. BRB. Anyway, I'm going to my dentist. Like, I'm dressing up so much to see my dentist, and it's like a women's clinic. There are just women in that clinic, and I love dressing up for women. I feel like that's my favorite thing in the world. And yeah, man, I just love to feel cute for women. This is my OOTD. I feel like I need to get a proper camera, but anyway, oh no, it doesn't look that great. Maybe if I tuck this in a bit. I think it's looking a bit much, but it's okay. Also, I got a new recliner for myself because I have a pathetic back and my posture is really bad, and I kind of need to fix it, and I do look depressed. My rickshaw is almost here. I'm carrying my little purse. I'm going to make a very detailed vlog. I just felt like people are not interested in seeing what I do in a day, but now I'm going to show you every single detail of my life. Okay, I got my tooth filling done. I have to come back again on Saturday. This is adulthood, guys. Also, it's so pretty. I forgot to vlog, however I'm back, and I have blush blindness because I've put insane amount of blush, but I have a reason for that. I have a shoot which is at 5:30, but I have to reach there by 4:30. So by the time I reach, because right now it's 3:30, by the time I reach, I go there, this is gonna subside, so I feel like I won't look like the clown that I am anymore. Hopefully. Wow, my nose isn't. This is my first vlog.
Guys. Oh, this is your first vlog?
Yeah, because I don't vlog because I have massive insecurity about people not wanting to watch me and everyone hating me. I have deep-rooted issues.
She's like one. She has the best stories. If you're watching this vlog, I'm sure you're having like a lot of fun already.
Would you like to hear a poem about me from Tarini? I've said this.
She has issues. We need tissues. That sounds wrong.
Everything we've said today sounds so double meaning. And you're Jain, you can't say that.
Me, in any situation where I feel awkward, I will start singing.
Rohit Saraf, if you're watching this, please reach out to Tarini.
Ishq vishq pyar vyar pyar vyar.
Excuse me, all on a vlog. Haan, what are you eating?
Tarini won't leave this room.
Oh, Lisa, any thoughts?
Nothing, just breathing.
Aditi, any thoughts?
Oh, blue shirt and a bowl of beer.
I have ended my day, and unfortunately I don't have AirPods with me. Neither do I have FM here. But I did have a pretty eventful day. I went to my dentist. I had a minor breakdown. I did some work. I sent out a lot of emails. I wrote a couple of scripts. I closed a lot of things today for myself in terms of like a lot of brain rot. Then I got dressed, then I came all the way here. I shot for the episode, and I also got one reel which I don't know if I'm posting or not. And now I'm going back home to just take off my makeup and sleep and chill and prepare my to-do list for tomorrow, which again, extremely grateful for. Lots of exciting stuff coming, but I think this was it for my vlog for today. I don't have anything else to show you. Thank you for watching, and I am trying to be more regular here, and I might do it with some creative friends of mine as well. And yeah, I hope you all have a lovely day or a good night's sleep if you're watching this at night. And I look gorgeous, man. The shirt, oh my god, it's from Shop Jewels, by the way, if anyone wants to go and check it out. They have really cool thrifted and pre-loved stuff. Love it. Okay, bye, take care, good night.